like that.
No, call it gushing more of a blood of a bird.
Yo, Ed. Okay, can I stop? Check up this edge or that tree next to you. Okay. Hey guys, can I stop recording? So, this is best. This is the best. No, we should have been rolling when he caught the bird. You know when he bit the head?
We didn't know that he was eating a bird.
But you know when he bit the head? I wish we caught it. Okay, it's easy. No, wait. I just want to get some glimpse at the bird. Yeah, look at that. Okay. I got
you making the camera go over.
I got everything.
You have better got everything. You need everything. You need it all.
Stop and then play it.
He's off again.
Where is he?
Come on, follow the cat. Go, follow the cat.
Don't get too slow. He'll run.
Go, Lou.
Go.
He ate the whole bird. He only got the feather.
No, you got the wings and stuff. Somebody should think you like it's just so easy.
Why are you just filming him sitting?
No, because
my cat can be famous. It's got to be famous.
This is how we're filming.
My cat is going to be famous.
Get it to move.
Welcome to Hollywood.
Okay, let me.
Don't scare him. He'll go way too fast. You know what to do. No, Dre, let me do it.
Let Sherry do it. Just let Sherry do it.
Dre, I know what to do. He likes me out of all of you.
You're arguing too much on the face.
Okay, he's on the ground.
Look at his
dog.
dog.
Stop.
Gay.
Dre, you just called yourself gay.
Go.
Because he's one of our creation and so are you. Whatever you call yourself.
So you think they call me already?
Yeah, but
Oh shoot, Gerard.
what?
Can anyone pick him up? Gerard.
Okay, try to get to that rock. Dre, you gotta help him.
I know, I'm trying to. Okay, hold on. You go. Hold on to that. Okay, come on. Oh heck no, this nigga needs to move. Hey buddy.
Mr. Stop. Move
Okay.
again.
Excuse me.
Go.
Whoa there, kitty. I don't think he's gonna make it.
We got everything. Get up the action.
The axe?
No, but it's interesting if you got, when he bit the head. That'd be so. No, then we saw cat hunt and kill. Hunt, kill, and eat.
No, Dre, we're trying to film here. Moving.
Oh, wow.
Watch out.
If you keep doing that, he's going to run, and we're going to lose all our our star. We're going to lose our movie star here. He's the star of this whole entire movie. We have nothing. Okay, I got this way. Picking him up to go somewhere.
That kind of done what he for.
No, pick him up. He's going to the camera. Yeah, come over here. I want to.
Lou, back up.
Come in from the closer. He's not going to do it.
I'm zooming in. I'm good. It's like stinking bird breath.
No, film the wound.
You can smell that.
Film the wound.
Lou, watch out.
The wound.
Okay, I got it.
Please out. I hear no birds. Go. You put that stick up his butt?
No.
It's dirty.
No, put it right here. Find us some food. Josh, you're full. You're not going to go home.
Yeah, he's full.
Go take a poo and then come right back. Take a poo.
Back that way.
Okay, should we cut? No, we can't cut.
So what are we going to call it?
Oh,
It's
you filmed it, take it.
on the move. It's on the move.
No,
Godzilla. He's going to go take a poo. No, but what movie should we call it?
There's a book named Catzilla, you idiot.
No, but what should we call it? What should we call it? Eating bird.
Dude, you cannot be in the way, man.
That's too simple.
No,
And you walk in the way.
Adventures of a Cat. Yeah.
Adventures of a Wounded Cat. You want to call it that? No. He's not a superhero.
No, just what do you want to call it? Just tell me.
Death and Gore of a bird.
What do you want to call it?
No, call it
What?
Death and Gore. Sorry.
What?
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh,
I think he stole something. Let's sit down.
I think he's going to take a poo and he needs some privacy.
No, he doesn't. He's not gonna take a poo.
He's going to take a poo. He's not going to take it in front of us, though. He'd never do that.
well, we can.
He took a poo on me.
He peed on me before.
I know.
Just when he was just a little kid. I remember.
I remember it like it was yesterday. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh, myself.
So what do you want to call it?
Well, we find out.
Yeah, when the video
yeah.
starts.
We're filming JB. We're filming JB. He's our star.
Okay, Scott, do you mind if I come out?
Yes. I want to wait. I was filming him. He's something. Oh. You'll get
Robots are all over this.
I know. Come on. Where is the cat?
Right there.
We caught it. Star isn't even
We just
nothing.
caught it. Oh, no, my mom wants to